Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter J. These words start with J. Jam, jellyfish, and juice. Jam, jellyfish, and juice. I'll start with J. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter J with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big J or the little J? Okay, let's draw the big J first. Draw a line, curl it in, put a line on top. Now let's hop, hop, hop. Great job drawing a big J. Now let's draw the little J. Draw a little line, make it curl it in, put a little dot on top. Now let's hop, hop, hop. Great job, friends. Do you have a favorite letter? I do too. My favorite letter is J, the letter we learned today. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.